This is you and the guy she tells you not to worry about. Let's put you in there, buddy. Alright, so Shane has got his frame all painted up. It's starting to dry now. So now we're going to actually dive over here to the motor and start getting other things ready for assembly once that's ready to take it on.
Specifically,
the short axle swap. He is ditching the right side shock on this one, and we're going to be using a just single shock on one side. So we need to get rid of the space that it has for like that whole shock like assembly that comes on these stock Gen 1 Mad Dogs. We're completely removing that, so we're gonna grab a short axle and not run a whole bunch of spacers or make it somewhat wonky. So we're gonna start diving into this. Gotta pull the clutches off, gears out, and then the axle should come off. So let's start taking this thing apart. So we're just taking all this stuff apart. If you want a little more in-depth detail of what we're doing here, go check out our gear swap video. Just to get to that point, it's pretty much everything that we're gonna be doing to get the short axle swap, just adding a step to that. So let's go ahead and keep knocking this thing apart.
there you go. Clutch is off.
Belt, variators. I'm gonna take this off. Just a
Oh,
leather
dang.
strip. Then we got a whole bunch of 8mm.
How much oil is gonna pour out of there?
Oh yeah. Did we drain it? Did we drain it?
No,
Okay, good.
not that I know of.
We'll
Just hang it over the edge here.
Yeah, we'll drain it first. Drain bolt right here. Grab a little container. Shouldn't be more than half quart.
Pro tip: dropping your tools only prolongs the job. Tough guy.
I'm gonna get my freaking hands dirty.
This looks vaguely familiar.
Or the long one, but up here.
I'll take your word for that.
If we have any questions, we can go back to our gear swap video. You want to see short ones?
I think so.
Alright. Now I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Start prying it apart. Oh, right here. I smacked on that.
That's what she said.
That's exactly what I was just gonna say. You're reading my mind.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna have to have you hold the motor.
There it goes.
Oh, gears about to fall off. Oh,
What?
we need a new gasket.
That one won't work again? So why won't that one work?
It probably will. We just gotta clean it up really good. Don't have to hurry it up anymore. Bearings are perfect. Gear oil is doing its job.
Change your gear oil, boys and girls. It does make a difference.
All right. Okay, remember the gear up top. Small gear up below. That's all. Yeah, we're gonna have to just point on the side, unfortunately. All right, so we're gonna get some stuff cleaned up, and we gotta take the brake shoe off and punch this axle out. All right, so as you guys saw, we got all of the transmission gears out, transmission cover off. Now it's just as simple as, if you can see here on our new short axle, this thing has a C-clip on here. This one already has a C-clip put on. It's as simple as just resting on this little piece right here. So we're just gonna punch it out from the back and slide the new one in. And she swapped.
Okay. Boom, just like the directions said.
That's why I was a little rusty in there, but this is you and the guy she tells you not to worry about. Let's put you in there, buddy. It's not about the size, it's about the motion of the ocean, as they say.
Fries, mother.
Tap.
Tap-a-roo.
Just tap it in.
And then reassemble. Simple as that, guys. So, I'm gonna grab our small gear first. Right here. Then our big gear. There. And then our, oh, it's got some weight on it now.
Here, I can get another board. Be sure to have plenty of 2x4s, kids.
Well, most of them probably won't have their engine luckily on their table. Alright, so we're gonna grab our gasket. Don't forget your gasket. I got that all cleaned off. Definitely recommend getting a new one. This one should work no problem, and if it does happen to leak, that's unfortunately gonna be our problem, not yours, so.
Ooh, yeah.
Put it right on the dials. Only one? Only one.
This is not a part you can just run down to O'Reilly's or Napa and pick up, so we're trying to work with what we got.
Unfortunately, I do have an extra one that came with my gear upgrade kit, but
It's 2 hours away.
yeah, it's a little ways away. Okay, so let's go in here. So watch my dowel. That was good. Boom, that went together nicely. All right, now I'm gonna start throwing these bolts in. Here. Longer. I think the longer ones go up top, shorter ones go low. Oh, I lied.
The ones she tells you not to worry about go up top, and the shorter ones down below.
I lied though. It's the opposite way.
Oh,
Don't worry about the bottom. Yeah, you'll be able to tell pretty much right away. It's supposed to be a smaller one or a bigger one. Oh, longer. What's that? I think the torque spec's like 9 foot-pounds, so that's what we have this set to.
where exactly do you set the poundage on that?
So, as simple as that. Now it's just a whole bunch of reassembly. So I'm going to go ahead. Do you want to rerun this?
Might as well.
Okay.
Easy enough to replace if I need to.
Alrighty then.
Gonna run dowel. This should be good. Remember, this goes on before your clutches. As this part, you won't be able to get it on with your clutches are on. Alright, so clutch. This tag on. Just like that. Grab our washer and nut. Oh. You didn't see that.
Boys and girls.
Okay, that's good. We'll torque that down. Where's my variator? So this came from the short axle, or the long axle. So we're going to be reusing the nut from the long axle. The spacer was for that like whole brace thing. Gone. Not even no more.
You heard the man.
Oh, you. I can actually just set it down. So squeeze the belt into the clutch. And this is gonna go on. Semi-tight. I'm gonna tighten the clutch first. And then we're gonna squeeze this down a little more. Make sure we do not pinch our belt in between these two. It can happen. Oh yeah, there we go. Give us a nice room right there. That pinch.
Need me to squeeze it?
Yeah. How much room do you get? Okay, so I'm just gonna hold it like this. If you need to try and tighten this, grab it, tighten it. Just have to make sure this is okay. I say turn it off, you take it off. Should be good though. That's on, that's on. Alright, short axle swap completed.
Oh, we didn't even have the PVC cover on this floor. We're gonna paint it. Oh wait, I did paint it.
I did, I thought you did. You might just still want to wait until we got it all on.
Oh, right up here. Big black star right there.
Oh, yeah. And then, you got like a piece of cleaner tape.
Yep. I does. Oh, good call.
Pro tip. Always make sure to put fluids back in the scooter.
Why the run so rough? Well, thank you guys for tuning in. We appreciate it.
And stay tuned, because once that's dry, we're gonna start assembling this matte black and army green scooter. Yeah, I'm excited for once to get those saddlebags on. That's gonna be freaking sick. This scooter's gonna be a pretty fucking pimpin' ride by the time summer's really running. So,
All right.
well, yeah, appreciate you guys.
All right. Until next time, make sure you like,
Comment,
and subscribe.
Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next time. RevRender out.
As always, thanks for watching. Tune in every Tuesday and Saturday for new videos. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Those likes really help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, RevRender out.